welcome to my channel. My name is Manda and thank you so much for tuning in to this video. Today I decided to film a very pink spring / summer inspired makeup tutorial. It's very beginner friendly and I hope you guys enjoy it. So we're gonna get right into it. Guys, don't pay attention to my crazy braids throughout this video. And also disclaimer, if you do hear some weird sounds like hooting or screaming, yeah, I live in a very very busy area, but I will try and edit it out as much as possible. So we're gonna get started now. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. So yes, I'm sporting these Poetic Justice braids. My braids are like a month old, but I still don't want to take them out yet, because you know when you're in that stage where you want a new hairstyle but you just don't know what it is. That's what's going on here. Okay, so I've already done my brows off camera because my brows take me forever to do, so I don't want to be having videos that are like 30 minutes long because I decided to do my brows on camera. I'm gonna go in with primer, and this is the MAC Prep and Prime. I chose this primer today because my skin is quite dry, but today it feels dry, so I'm going to moisturize that into my skin. So for today's foundation, I'm going to be going in with these two, the Superstay and the Maybelline Fit Me. I don't like the Fit Me on its own. I don't know, I don't know, when everyone was going crazy about it, I don't know, it did nothing for me. It didn't wow me or anything. And this is a really great foundation. Focus. Full coverage and it's just really pretty, but this is the darkest shade that they had in store. This is the darkest. I don't understand why they bother to stock, you know, such limited shades in a place like Africa. Like, why are you excluding the melanin queens? It's Africa. Like, what are you doing? Anyway, that's a story for another day. So I like the thickness of this foundation, and I don't like anything about this. This one is a bit too light for me. This one is a bit too dark for me. So I'm just going to mix the two because I feel like that's the only sensible thing to do right now. 2 pumps of this one, the Superstay, and then I'm gonna put just a squeeze. Ugh! You see, I don't really like bottles like this. Ah! The consistency, oh my god, it's so watery. Anyway, I'm gonna put like a squeeze of the Fit Me. I hope this works out because I've actually never tried this combination. Go straight into my blending sponge. I'm actually really liking the finish of this foundation. So now I'm going to go in with my concealer and just highlight under my eyes. I don't highlight the bridge of my nose anymore because I just feel like it's quite redundant. And yes, I do have a big forehead, more like a 5 head, but like, I don't know, I like to make it pop a bit more. Back into the sponge. You don't want to put like too much concealer on your face because the more product you put, the more it spreads. So it's better to start off with just a bit and then just, you know, make sure it spreads evenly. I take forever to blend, but I don't regret it because blend and set, that's like the rules of makeup.
Blend, set, blend, set.
Now I'm going to set my concealer with the Black Opal True Color Soft Velvet Finishing Powder in medium. Go back in with my handy sponge. I'm going to pat it into the skin. I'm not a huge fan of baking anymore, set, like really set. So for contouring, I'm going to go in with a MAC eyeshadow. It's called Embark, and I really want more of a red contour today. Not really a gray shadow. I just want to be very bronzy and warm. So for highlighter today, I'll be going in with the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Glow. I have not used this baby in so long. So I'm gonna go back in with my powder brush and just tap in that highlighter, because I think it's really important to blend highlighter because sometimes it can look really streaky and not flattering. So I just like to go back in and blend it. So now we're going to do the eyes, and today I'm using this sleek eyeshadow palette. It's called Enchanted Forest, and I'm just gonna open it. So it's called Enchanted Forest, and it's this really cute palette, I think. Forgive me, it's a bit dusty, but yeah, it's a palette. So I think I want to do a bit of a brownish eye, I don't know, brownish purplish eye. So now I'm going to prime my eyelids. I'm going to use Fawn. I have not used Fawn in the longest time. So I'm going to use it to just prime my eyelid. So we've primed our eyelids now. Then I'm going to go back into my Fit Me powder, and this is going to be my transition shade. To go in with this dark purple from the Sleek palette, and I'm just going to grab a clean blending brush. So I'm going to go in with this dark purple color here. help with your nose contour. So I'm going to go in with this pinkish color right here, and I'm going to apply that as well. I'm going to go in with a clean blending brush and just make sure that everything is blended out really nicely. I'm going to go into some concealer. I'm going to grab this concealer brush that I have and go back into my concealer. This step is not necessary. I get a lot of transfer, especially if I want to use a bit of a shimmery shade. So I just like to Okay, now for the shimmer part, I'm going to go in with this LA Girl Ultra palette, and I'm going to be using this pinkish color right here. So I've gone ahead and put my lashes on and done a bit of eyeliner. So now it's time to move on to the lips. I think I'm feeling really pink today, so I'm going to go for a pink lip. So I'm going to be using this Revlon lip lacquer, I think, and it has no name on it. Revlon Ultra HD lip lacquer, but I'm not going to put on too much, so I'm going to just put it on in the middle and then just spread it out because it's very sticky, as you can see. So I don't like to put on too much of it, but I just want my lips to appear a bit pink. Now that my lips are looking very pink and very luscious, I'm going to go in with this Max Factor lip gloss, and I'm just going to put it on top of that lip lacquer. So just to make it really juicy and glossy and just looking like, I don't know, I just like really glossy lips. I'm going to set my face. I'm just going to lightly spritz it. I don't want anything too hectic. And that so the makeup can come together. I feel like a makeup look is so incomplete without lashes. Like, did you see how I like went from 0 to 100 without lashes? And the setting spray is just making everything melt into the skin. And yeah, so this would be the final look really. But because I'm extra, I'm going to go over with some highlighter and just blend it out a bit more because, like I said, I'm extra. So this is the final look, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, guys, stay blessed and stay beautiful. Bye, guys.